Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find help in the Adobe Photoshop Express application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your left corner and there you will find three lines. Press on it and here you can just press on help and feedback and wait a little bit. Now you can just press on the help option and wait a little bit more. Now you can see the new page will be loaded in and here you can find basically frequently asked questions and you can just select the topic where you need help and you can just press on the question and you will be able to find the answer to it. You can also scroll down even more and find basically other frequently asked questions and the answer to them as well, or you can just simply contact the customer service, or you can just ask the community. Here you can see it is in Romania right now, but you can just press on begin now and you can also ask the community about some things, or like I said, you can just contact the customer service and they might be able to answer you precisely. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.